Prerna is a working woman staying in Delhi with a family and a kid. Recently, she returned from a business trip and for last 2 days, she is suffering from cold, cough, sneezing and sore throat. Though she is advised to use some home remedies, but her work life does not allow much scope to gather the herbs and prepare an effective kadha for herself. She is in search of a product that saves time and cures her symptoms of cold and cough. We understand the need of the hour, therefore, we are introducing an amazing form of kadha that will not only save your time but also will save your money. Scientists of CSIR and NBRI have prepared a modern form of kadha on the ancient principles of Ayurveda using pure herbs such as khatmi, lasora, berry, kali mirch and many other wonderful ingredients. Mark Cold Drop is an anti-diabetic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, immunodilatory. It's one drop in tea, milk or lukewarm water. Cures all the symptoms of cold and cough due to seasonal variations.